In this question, they are saying a train starting from railway station. So here we have a train and they are saying it's starting from a railway station. Can we say its initial velocity 0 hoga, right? Moving with the uniform acceleration and attains a speed of 40 km per hour. So this train is moving and finally ये कुछ कितना speed attain करता है 40 km per hour. तो क्या हम बोल सकते हैं इसका final velocity कितना है? It's nothing but 40 km per hour. And this all took place in a time period of how much? 10 minutes. And they are saying it is moving with a constant acceleration. So they are asking you find its acceleration. So the very first step you are supposed to go with the given. Okay. So let's see what are the given values. They have given like initial velocity is nothing but 0 km per hour. हम इसको 0 meter per second लिख सकते हैं, right? Then final velocity जो है ये हमारा कितना है? That is nothing but 40 km per hour. Kilometer per hour is not a standard unit. So we need to multiply this 5/18. ठीक है, जब भी आपको किलोमीटर पर आवर से मीटर पर सेकेंड करना है, so you are supposed to multiply that number by 5/18. Okay. After possible calculation, you will be getting this as what? 11.1111 meter per second. So this is the final velocity. Moving to the next, time is given as 10 minutes. We know that minute is not a standard unit. तो हम इसको convert कर देंगे seconds में. So this is equals to how much? 600 second. Now they are asking us to find the acceleration. So we all know the formula for acceleration. What is the formula for acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity upon time t. And I think perfectly we can go with this formula because हमारे पास ये तीनों ही values है, right? So चलो let's find this. Acceleration is nothing but v minus u upon t. What is the final velocity? It is 11.1111 minus initial velocity is nothing but 0 divided by the time period of how much? 600 second. So can I say this will be equal to nothing but 11.11 divided by how much? 600. Finally we'll go with what? Cancellation. ठीक है, तो अभी हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. 11.11 को will divided by how much? 600. Now if you find difficulty to divide a decimal, like जो numbers decimal में होते हैं, so if you face any kind of difficulty with respect to these numbers, so what you are supposed to do, आपको simply decimals को हटा देना है. How to do that? So I can write this as this. और सिंस डेसिमल के बाद दो नंबर थे तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या पुट कर दिया? दो जीरोस पुट कर दी. ना सिंपली आप लाइक 4 टाइम्स 1 को डिवाइड कर दो किससे? 6 से. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग समथिंग 185.16. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग? देखो हाँ, मैंने 4 टाइम्स 1 को किससे डिवाइड कर दिया? 6 से डिवाइड कर दिया. ओके, सो still these 4 zeros are left. How much I get? 185.16. Okay. कितने zeros है मेरे पास? 1 2 3 4. Now what you will be doing, आप इन zeros को adjust करोगे. कैसे करोगे? देखो, decimal इधर है, मुझे 4 zero को adjust करना है. I will come left hand side 1 2 3. आगे नंबर नहीं है तो आप 0 लगा दोगे, 4 एंड सो ऑन. सो दैट मीन्स हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? ये हो जाएगा 0.0185. ठीक है, यू कैन एक्सक्लूड 0.6 लाइक वो 16. सो ये मेरा कुछ एक्सेलरेशन होगा. एंड सिंस इट्स अ एक्सेलरेशन यू विल बी गिविंग दिस एज व्हाट? मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. So I hope the solution is clear to all of you. Yes. Thank you all. We'll meet up in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.